My name is Guru Sharma. I'm from Jharsuguda. I'm pursuing architecture as a third year student. In KIIT, there are various societies in which student can be a part of. They can choose their hobbies. In sports, we have various infrastructures like swimming pools, we have sport tracks, we have indoor stadiums for volleyball, badminton. The sports and all these co-curricular activities comes under a term which is KSAC, KIIT Student Activity Centre. I'm a part of two societies. One is KWAB and one is KAEWS. KWAB helps tribal people, tribal students which are studying in KIIS to give them education and awareness about pollution and food wastage, electricity conservation and other topics. We are a team of 40 people who organizes events in KIIT. It has personally helped me for my academics, for my co-curricular activities and my badminton journey.